Stupid black dog, what you be doing? Look at what I'm doing. Hey, can you hear me? Why didn't you say that to my face? Okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna kill you. Someone help me. It's alright. I won't murder you. Not. Why are you taking pictures and recording? You should be helping me. Now, it's time to take a look at the real beast here. We're about to see him in a second. Oops, wrong one. Isn't that hideous?
Everyone's running away.
That's my brother, the real beast. That's the hideous. Isn't that the most disgusting thing you've ever seen? I'll see you on our next video.